free Photoshop. Is it legal?
I'll be chasing colors.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Amanze Ogbonna with another video. Today I'll be talking about a tool I just found out. It's called Photopea. I'm not sure if it's Photopea or Photopea. I've always been looking for a tool that I can use to edit my thumbnails. I've been using Affinity Photo, but before that or prior that, I've been using Photoshop. But it's not every time you have this tool with you, and some of my family members are YouTubers also, so most of them, they cannot afford paying the monthly license for Photoshop because they don't need all the full capability of Photoshop. They just need to create their thumbnails or edit something or remove the background out of something. So for me, I don't need this too much, but for any other person that needs this or anybody that edits their thumbnails on an iPad or something, even on your phone, you can use this application. It's called Photopea. It's on the web. You don't need to download anything. You just need internet. I'm not sure if it works offline, but you can do that. You just need to, it's just like Photoshop. It's almost a clone, an exact clone of Photoshop. Almost everything you can think of in Photoshop they have here. I'm not sure if they have every single feature because I'm not exactly a graphic design expert, but you can do what you want here. You can create a new project and select the aspect ratio, define what you need to define. They even have some templates here that you can use. But I will not be using the templates. I've been testing out the application to see whether it will fit my need. So if you want just a quick template, you can just select from here and create a thumbnail. Edit it how you like, but let me take you to the tab that I'm working on. So this is the tab I'm working on. Let me go full screen. I'm trying to make a thumbnail that I can use for this particular video. So I will be doing this. So I'm editing this. I want a backgroundless me opening my mouth. So I will speed this place up. I'll do some touchings, remove the background from this picture and do some final touches, then move it to the main thumbnail. That's strange. There's a TXT saving. I'm not sure why that is, but I will rename the file to PNG. So as PNG, I renamed it back to PNG instead of TXT. I renamed it to PNG. But I'm not satisfied with the image. I need to check whether it's good enough. Okay, there's some artifacts. It's a little pinkish here, so I may need to take that off. Just do some lassoing. It's not compulsory though to do all this. It depends on what your final background is. But if I want a very good crop that I can use anywhere, it's best for me to just test for a dark background, and I'm selecting the wrong layer. Okay, let me blur the edges. Hopefully that should fix it a little. I check other places. Seems fine. Now let me check for a white background. Seems good. Red, also good. Good. So I just delete this layer and export this as PNG again. Let me see if I'm the one who made the mistake. I exported as PNG, but it's saved as text. So let's save that. Yeah, I think it's a bug on Windows. I'm not sure if this is the same for Mac OS, but so far it's saving as TXT instead of PNG. So if you have the same issue, just my text. So just change this to it will clash. Let me delete this one. Yes. Yeah, so that's the thumbnail. All done on the web. The background removed. Fine. Now let me take this layer into the thumbnail I'm making. I just copy, duplicate into this other one that I'm working on. I don't know why it's a PSD, but let's see if it's there. Yep, it's there. Let me hide this one and bring this one a little to the top. Yep, it's fine. Control Alternate T. Move that to the side. I'm confused. Let me just delete this layer. It's driving me crazy. So I'll leave this one as is. I will just need a new rectangle that's a gradient to draw. Oh no, I just draw this. I need it to be a gradient, and yeah, angled towards the top, 90 degrees, from black to black, opacity 100 to 0. Let me transform this. So that is Control Alternate T. I need to bring it. I need my image below it. So, is this legal? My image is not that sharp. I need to color correct the image, but it's fine, I think. Let me just draw a new rectangle. Nah, I want a solid color. No, not a solid color. A gradient angled maybe to the 45, from a lighter to a darker color, but the same shade. I'm not sure if I can pick the right shade. Something purplish. Let me copy the hexadecimal. And to 100%, I don't want color is still the same hexadecimal, I think. Let me go blue. Yeah, I like it. It looks crazy, but I like it. As you can see, what am I doing? It's easy to use. I'm not struggling at all. Photoshop, select the Photoshop layer. Free Photoshop. Is it legal? You guys tell me. Is it legal? Let me expand this and maybe just separate these two. I don't know what to do anymore. Maybe I can take my image a little up. Don't judge me. I tried to make a good thumbnail. Anyhow, this is the end of the video. If you feel this tool will be useful for you in your own endeavor, please like the video, share it to someone that might need it, and yeah, please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm very, very close to 1,000 subscribers. I am around 600, and so please help a brother out and help me reach there. See you people next time. Bye bye.